Get ready to rock and roll with our adorable elephant rocker. Designed with fun and safety in mind, our indoor playing equipment for kids is a perfect addition to any playroom. Easy assembly with just 5 to 6 different parts, assembling our elephant rocker is a breeze. No complicated instructions or tools required, simply snap the pieces together and let the fun begin. Vibrant colors, each part of our elephant rocker comes in a different color, adding a pop of brightness to your child's play space. From cheerful yellows to calming blues, our colorful design sparks creativity and imagination. Safety first, we understand the importance of keeping your little ones safe while they play. That's why our elephant rocker comes with precise measurements to ensure a stable and secure rocking experience. Our elephant rocker promises hours of entertainment for your little adventurers. Don't miss out on the fun. Order your elephant rocker today and let the good times roll.